Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel, and today I can't wait to show you all the cute finds we picked up. Check on YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Again, today is November the 16th, Saturday, and I am about to film Chucky's haul, or his Zara haul. But first, I gotta tackle this room, y'all. Why he be doing it like this? Because I want to film in here and he just got toys everywhere. So we have to just film this really quickly. We have to just clean this up. Clean this up. Okay, back to me. Okay, back to me. Okay, nice and clean. Somebody told me his room was plain Jane, but I'm a minimalist. Like, you don't need that much stuff in here. You just need to be reading, sleeping, and playing, and watching TV. All right, so let's get into his packages. Ashton has 2 boxes. He got 2 boxes from Zara and 1 from Gap. So let's see what he got. And I got scissors for a reason. He's taking a nap right now. I was like, let me go ahead and get this out the way. These are some black skinny jeans. Zara just kept being out of stock, y'all, and it got on my nerves. So I was like, I'm just gonna order him some from Gap, and then you will see like our Thanksgiving outfits. We're all wearing like black bottoms, and Aubrey and Ashley will be matching pretty well. And I'm also gonna show you his whole look. Okay. Open the first Zara box. And he has Superman. Oh my God, y'all. So remember Aubrey had Lily on Stitch, and he has Superman. It is also $13.90. I'm actually gonna, since I got it in my hand, I'll just go ahead and open it up to see how it smells. Oh, look at the cute little bottle. I do like how Aubrey did. From here, it kind of smells good. I can't really smell it. Okay, sprayed it on the box. Y'all, this is giving Gucci or YSL. Y'all, this smells good. This smells very good. Y'all, Zara is not paying me. I don't have the amount of followers for them to be even paying me. This smells good. This right here, oh my God. And he always be seeing his daddy spray cologne on him. So he always want to spray something on him. So I was like, let me get this Zara cologne. Oh my God, he's gonna be so good. Wait till he find out, y'all. He like it. I already know. Okay. My kids always gotta get them a new coat. So this is his coat. He does have like a size 4 year. So Ashton has his coat. Alright. And I guess they put the rest of his stuff in this box because it is a little bit thicker than the other box that only had his coat and his cologne. Oh, look at this sweater. Oh my God, it's so cute. It's very cute. I like this. LA outfit. Okay, y'all know I love me some LA. So when I saw that, I was like, I'm getting it. This is very cute. I think I said I was gonna pair these with like some jeans or whatever. I think that's how I said I was gonna do it online. Look at this. I love blue. my kids love blue. And I got some shoes that I want them to have with it. So that's why I was like, let me get him this blue hoodie. Has like a little bike on the back. It's a little urbanish type thingamajig. So, and he could probably wear these with these black skinny jeans as well. That's one of the outfits he can wear with it. Again, Los Angeles. This is a sweater. This is a two-piece set. So this is the sweatpants. It says Los Angeles heels. Okay. I'm loving it. I'm like LA crazy. So here's the top. Very cute. Very demure. Again, this is a size 4 year. And they say it's gonna run, literally wears his size. I know there's some jeans in here that I definitely sized up on because it said it runs small. Here's the sweater that he's going to be wearing. It says USA. Don't come for me for the USA. I just like the green in it. And as you remember, Arby's sweater is green. He's going to wear like some black bottoms with these, which is these skinny jeans that I already showed. He's going to wear those and these dunks that I got them both for Thanksgiving. Some more underwear. Like I said, I always gotta get my kids some underwear. New underclothes every time I do them like a haul. Whether it's spring clothes, summer clothes, winter clothes, they always have to get new underwear. That's how I keep up with it. Here are some skinny jeans for him. Very cute. Hey, Ashton. So he got some little skinny jeans. We're gonna put this next to the LA, the one with the bear on there. Very cute. So this is a two-piece set. It came together, so it's kind of like tied together. But let me see. This is the sweater, just navy blue. So navy blue, just regular, just something simple and cute. For one of those days where he just needs to just stay warm. Okay, take this off because this is irritating. That's this. So I'm gonna put that over there. And again, the sweater is it's simple. I like simple because it goes with a lot of things. Very cute. Oh my gosh, so these jeans right here are so cute. I did size up to get a size 5. So it's a 5 year because they said they run small and Ashton is a little on the tall side. So I decided to let me just go up so I didn't have to send anything back. And I can tell like this looks like a 4 to me. So I'm happy that I got a size 5 year. What did I say I was going to? Oh, I think I said I was going to pair these with the black. I don't even remember. Okay, he has some socks. More socks. Like I'm always buying a lot of socks. He has some undershirts, some t-shirts. I definitely dubbed up on them as well, like I did Aubrey because. Yeah, cut this, cut that. As well, he has a scarf, like a tulle scarf, so we can just put over his head like this. Because I hate wrapping scarves around kids. So he has some scarves. Then he has his little hat. I didn't get Aubrey any because she had some from last year. So I didn't worry about getting her another. He has these other little darker green pants. They're similar to like these little brownish looking ones. So, and they run kind of small as well. So he did get a size 5. And I decided to get this hoodie to go with it. It's like a little olive green as well. I was like, this would be cute. What's you doing, peeking in here? I'm filming. So this is Ashton's haul. Babe, I want you to smell Ashton cologne. You're gonna swear his name brand. Alright, y'all. Yeah, I mean, do what you gotta do. Okay. Maybe I said I was gonna do this and this. This and that. I don't know. I might even pair it with the black. It just really depends on how I feel. I don't know, because I already got that blue. I may have her wear that with him. I like these. You know, very simple, very cute. I'm gonna put that right there so I can kind of show Ashton's haul. His stuff. And he just woke up. Don't mind Ashton, he just woke up from a nap, so he just tired. Again, here go his socks, his underwear. We have his hat, his scarf, some t-shirts. We have the navy blue outfit. We have the denim jeans with the with the hoodie. We have this outfit it's gonna wear with some black pants for Thanksgiving. We have this olive green. Okay, with these little greenish looking jeans. They have this little LA outfit. He has a little LA teddy bear outfit, and with these jeans as well. He has his coat. And lastly, let's not forget his Superman cologne that I said smells extremely good. Y'all, make sure y'all try. I can still smell it through the box. Again, I know this haul was really, truly short, but I didn't want to put theirs together. I wanted it to be separately. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment. If you think I should switch up some the ways he can wear it, let me know. Give me some ideas with some shoes in the comment section for him to wear. Again, thanks for watching. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Give me a kissy. I love you. I love you.
Hey, camera.
He's on some hate camera. Hey, give me them scissors.